There are over 2,000 umbrella manufacturers in China. It's not easy to find a high-quality and reliable umbrella manufacturer for the first time. What are the characteristics of a good umbrella manufacturer? Before we look at how to identify a suitable supplier, let's talk about what a good manufacturer looks like. Ideally, you should look for a supplier who, 1. Has the ability to consistently provide high-quality umbrellas to meet the requirements of your clients. 2. Offers a competitive cost advantage. 3. Guarantees a stable umbrella supply chain channel as well as some flexibility in order deliveries. 4. Is led by a strong and visionary team leader who possesses good communication skills. 5. Has a credible management structure and employs superb manufacturing technology with machinery and equipment. Huifeng Umbrella Co. Limited is a professional umbrella manufacturer in China with thousands of customers worldwide, offering high-quality umbrellas to help you maximize profit for your business. We have a large selection of custom-printed umbrellas in different colors, styles, and patterns so that you can get the most of your event. They can be custom-branded from tip to handle. Our umbrella factory in China can design your promotional umbrellas in the color of your choice with your brand name or logo at very competitive prices to help you build brand awareness for your business. Or you can design a custom umbrella as per your requirements using our custom umbrella design software. Our umbrella factory prides itself on providing international customers with a vast selection of sun and rain umbrellas. Whether you're looking for a windproof umbrella, a large golf umbrella, or a classic stick umbrella to protect you from the elements, you can find it here. Custom umbrellas with no minimum and door-to-door service can be offered. Most of our products are exported to the UK, USA, Canada, Australia, Korea, Japan, Europe, Africa, and more. As a professional umbrella manufacturer, high quality and good service is always our obligation. Please email us with your need here. No middleman to take your profit. You can find much more competitive prices of high-quality umbrella products with Huifeng Umbrella.